Welcome to Firstgrade Incorporated, your top supplier of raw materials and chemicals for the manufacturing, agricultural, and mining industries in Zimbabwe. Our commitment to providing exceptional customer service and a wide range of high-quality products is what sets us apart from our competitors. Located in Harare, our warehousing and distribution facility allows us to efficiently serve our customers across the country. With our established networks in the supply chain and extensive knowledge of our product lines, we guarantee top-notch quality and service delivery in every transaction. We pride ourselves on staying up to date with global market trends and providing products and services that exceed our customers' expectations. Our global partners adhere to strict quality standards, ensuring that only the best quality products are supplied to our local market. From industrial chemicals to animal feed ingredients, personal care hygiene industry ingredients, and food ingredients, we have everything you need to elevate your business. Experience the Firstgrade Inc. difference today by contacting us. With delivery available throughout Zimbabwe, we make it easy to get the products you need, wherever you are located.